everybody. I hope this video finds you well. Jacob Nolly here with the Graphite Lab, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to fill out a form in the ServiceTitan mobile application. So I'm currently logged in, and I'm dispatched and arrived to a job. You can see here over on the left-hand side, we'll have this Forms tab. And what I want to do is I want to fill out an after-hours checklist form. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to the job, and I'm going to grab this after hours form. So you can see this here. I've gone ahead and gotten this after hours form that the office has filled out. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and review the form, fill it out. So is this after hours charge applied? So this is just confirming that I've done that work. I'm going to go ahead and say yes. Proofread invoice details. Yes, I have done that, so I'll complete it. And then have I suggested the membership for non-members? I'm going to go ahead and say yes. Then I'm going to click save and then go back to the job. And you'll see now this form is completed on this job and accessible to the office and myself.